In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Chat in Gmail. By the end, you'll have Google Chat built right into your Gmail sidebar, so you can message teammates, start quick conversations, and stay organized without switching tabs. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in to your Google account. Once your inbox loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel. In that panel, you'll see several layout and theme options, but we're heading to the full settings page. Click the link that says, See All Settings. This opens a multi-tab settings view with everything from your inbox type to filters and forwarding. Along the top, find and select the tab labeled Chat and Meet. This is where Google Groups controls for chat and video meeting features in Gmail. Inside this tab, look for the Chat section. You'll see options for turning chat off or using Google Chat. Select Google Chat. This tells Gmail to use the modern chat experience directly in your inbox, placing conversations in a sidebar for quick access. It's a great way to keep messages and email together, especially if you collaborate frequently. After selecting Google Chat, scroll to the bottom of the page if needed and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh to apply your new setting. When it comes back, you should notice a chat section appear in the left sidebar, typically under your mail folders. Depending on your screen size, you might see a chat panel or a compact icon that expands. From here, you can start conversations, search for people in your organization or contacts, and manage ongoing chats alongside your email. A few quick notes for a smooth experience. If you don't see the Chat and Meet tab, or the Google Chat option isn't available, your organization's administrator may have disabled chat, or the feature may not be supported on that account. Personal Google accounts usually have it, but work or school accounts can vary based on policy. Also, if the layout looks different after enabling chat, that's expected. Gmail adjusts the sidebar to make room for your chat list. That's all you need to do. Open Gmail, head to Settings, go into See All Settings, open the Chat and Meet tab, select Google Chat, and save your changes. With that, you're ready to use Google Chat right inside Gmail and keep your communication in one place. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined inbox.